Are you looking for a better work-life balance in the healthcare sector? Then Carinthia is the perfect place for you. Austria's hidden gem, surrounded by beautiful lakes and mountains, located in the heart of Europe.
Hi, I'm Ella. I moved to Carinthia to start a healthcare career. In Carinthia, tradition enriches innovation. Its cities are hubs of creativity and growth. Achieving work-life balance is easy here. Career ambitions in harmony with the Carinthian lifestyle, which values family, nature, and well-being.
Become part of an inclusive international community. And now, more than ever, Carinthia is welcoming those passionate about healthcare. With high demand for qualified professionals, your career can flourish like never before. Carinthia, where your journey matters.
I'm Ella, and this is my story. What about you? Your next chapter in healthcare awaits.